Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great and I am also very fine. So today is राम नवमी. So आप सभी को राम नवमी की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. भगवान राम का आशीर्वाद हम सब पे बना रहे. So I hope you all have watched stage 1 and stage 2 video which I have posted on the channel. If you haven't watched it, then please go and check it out, or else I have given the link in the description box also, so you can check it from there also. So now, hypothetically, let us think that you received one mail stating that congratulations, based on your performance in your test or based on your resume, your profile gets shortlisted for the technical interview. What will you do now? When the term technical interview or the interview comes in the consideration, there are numbers of questions going in your mind, right? How to give interview, how to impress the interviewer, what to say, what not to say, how should you carry your personality in front of interviewer, although it is the virtual interview or the physical interview, but still you have to carry your personality there also. So let's get started with today's video. So now, when you are there for the interview, and if it is the virtual interview, then first and very important thing is look into the camera while giving your answer or while communicating with the interviewer. Don't look on the screen. When you look on the screen, there is a lack of communication, we can say. So now you will be thinking like, if I am looking on the screen, then वहाँ पे communication कहाँ से आता है? ठीक है. So let us consider the situation where two person are communicating with each other and they are looking here and there. Just think, I am talking with you. So now when I make eye contact with you all, when I am talking like this, at that time only you will be listening to me. If I talk like this, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I am also very fine. With this gesture and posture, will you be there? No. Within just 2 seconds, what you will do? You will swipe out my video, right? So, when we consider the interview, first and the very important thing is eye contact with the interviewer. It shows your confidence. It shows how confident you are on your knowledge. So, making the eye contact is very important thing. When you go for the physical interview, then things are simple. Like normally when we talk with the peoples, we look into their eyes. But when it is the virtual interview, many of the people do one silly mistake, and that is seeing on the screen. When you look at the screen, that time it looks like you are cheating, and the interviewer will ask you to share your screen. If you have experienced this thing, then you might know that. अगर आप स्क्रीन पे देख के इंटरव्यूअर के साथ बात करते हो तो वो आपको बोलेगा कि कैन यू प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन. सो वो क्यों बोल रहा है ऐसा? जस्ट टू चेक दैट इफ यू आर सर्चिंग समथिंग ऑन इंटरनेट, राइट? सो first and very important thing in the virtual interview is to look into the camera. Now for example, I will tell you the difference. Now I am looking into the camera और मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं स्क्रीन पे देखती हूँ तो मैं अभी ये जो मेरा पोस्चर है ये मैं स्क्रीन की तरफ देख रही हूँ, तो अभी आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरे आईज जो है वो नीचे है, या फिर मैं यहाँ पे कुछ पढ़ के आपको बता रही हूँ, राइट? So this is the difference between looking in the screen and looking into the camera. I hope it is clear to you all. So just remember that when you are giving interview virtually, look into the camera, not on the screen. Okay? Yeah. So now next point, and again the important point. See, while talking with the interviewer, it is not a big deal to take the pause or to make any fumble. No, it's not a big deal. But taking the pause for so long is not the good thing. Can you understand what I am saying? When I'm talking with you, if I take a pause for 2 to 3 seconds, then it is okay. But if I take a pause for more than 3 to 4 seconds, then it is not at all okay. It breaks the chain of communication. Because अगर आपने भी ये सेम फील किया होगा तो you can relate when you say something. So there is chain of thought in the mind of sender and in the mind of receiver also, right? And if you take the pause for so long, then that chain will be right. तो वो चेन टूट जाएगा. तो उससे क्या होगा, कम्युनिकेशन उतना इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा. इंटरव्यू इज ऑल अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन. Being professional is very important by your look also. When you are going for the interview, so you have to dress up like the interview. You cannot wear anything and you cannot sit there. Then secondly, when the interviewer asks you something, then make the habit of answering only that particular thing. Don't elaborate the answer unless and until he asks you by himself. Let me explain you briefly. For example, let us say you belongs to the IT industry and interviewer have asked you the question, what is inheritance? Okay, so now your task is to just explain him what is inheritance. Don't try to be over smart and don't go to its type also by yourself. If the interviewer asks you to explain the types, then it is okay, but don't explain it by yourself. Yeah, I know many of the people says that give answer very briefly, right? Explain the things, but it has one very big disadvantage. See, for all of the people, it is not possible to answer all the questions asked by the interviewer. There are a number of questions which we are not able to answer, right? So at that time, if you are going to explain all the questions by yourself, then interviewer will not get the chance to ask you question by himself. So at that time, what is the situation? See, अगर मैं आपको किसी सवाल का जवाब दे रही हूँ और मैं उसको खुद से ही एक्सप्लेन कर करके बता रही हूँ, तो आगे वाले के पास क्या होगा, क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए जो उसने जो लिस्ट बना के रखी है उसमें से आधे क्वेश्चंस वैसे ही गायब हो जाएंगे. तो ही विल नॉट गेट अ चांस टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, अगर आपने किसी क्वेश्चन के लिए सॉरी बोल दिया और आपने उसका आंसर अच्छे से नहीं दिया, तो क्या होगा, आपका नॉलेज उसको कम लगेगा, आपका नॉलेज शोकेस नहीं हो पाएगा, right? And if you give him the chance to ask the question, then because of that your knowledge will be showcased. For example, let us say इंटरव्यूअर ने मुझे पूछा इनहेरिटेंस क्या है, मैंने बता दिया. फिर उसने उसके टाइप्स पूछे, मैंने बता दिए. फिर उसने बोला कि इसको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करो, मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. फिर उसने कुछ उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा, वो मुझको नहीं आया. फिर उसने फिर उसके ऊपर ही अगेन दूसरा कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा, तो वो मैंने आंसर कर दिया. तो इससे क्या हुआ कि मैंने उसको 4 टॉपिक दे दिए क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, राइट? उसने मुझे 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे, उसमें से मैंने 3 के आंसर दिए, 1 का मैं नहीं दे पाई. तो व्हाट इज हिज थॉट? ही विल बी थिंकिंग लाइक, या ओके, जस्ट 1 रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, ऑल आर क्लियर, राइट? एंड इफ मैंने इनहेरिटेंस भी खुद से ही बता दिया, उसके टाइप्स भी खुद से ही बता दिए, और फिर जो उसके रिलेटेड जो कुछ टॉपिक होगा वो मुझे अच्छे से नहीं आता, बट मैंने क्वेश्चन खुद से अटेम्प्ट कर दिया और मैंने उस पर बोलना चालू कर दिया, और जहाँ पे मेरा लैक ऑफ नॉलेज है वो पॉइंट इंटरव्यूअर ने पॉइंट आउट कर दिया. सो हिज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑन दैट टॉपिक ओनली जिसमें आप कमज़ोर हो. So now he got a chance to ask you the question on that topic only. So उसके लिए क्या हो गया, आपका रिजेक्शन करना ईजी हो गया क्योंकि उसको आपने चांस दिया. इंटरव्यूअर विल ओनली गो ऑन द टॉपिक वेयर यू अलाउ हिम टू गो. आपके मुंह से निकले हुए जो शब्द होते हैं डिपेंड ऑन दैट इंटरव्यूअर के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। कोई भी इंटरव्यूअर यहाँ पे 50-60 क्वेश्चंस की लिस्ट लेके नहीं बैठता। ओके, जैसे इंटरव्यू का फ्लो होगा वैसे ही इंटरव्यूअर के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। या आपको अगर कुछ चीज़ नहीं आती है, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील। एनीवे दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू द ट्रेनिंग एंड you are going to scope up with them. That is not the big deal. Once you are in the industry, you get a chance to learn lot many things. That is not a big deal. But presenting yourself technically strong is very important thing during the interview, because within the time span of 30 to 60 minutes you get selected or rejected. So these are very important topics which you have to keep in your mind before you go to the interview. So this is all about today's video. If you really like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, then please comment in the comment section. So till then, bye bye, see you soon.